1. Paint a thin layer of seam adhesive on the back of the wallpaper. Don't apply the adhesive to the wall or it won't stick as well. Use a small paintbrush to evenly coat the underside of the peeling piece. You can buy wallpaper seam adhesive from a hardware store or an online retailer. Be careful when lifting the paper up to paint it so that you don't end up pulling more of the paper off the wall. 2. Press the paper against the wall with a seam roller. This will flatten the seam so that it adheres smoothly to the wall. Firmly roll the seam roller back and forth along the piece of wallpaper, making sure to smooth out any bumps or bubbles. If you don't have a seam roller, you can use a squeegee instead. 3. Wipe off any extra adhesive with a damp cloth. After using the seam roller, there might be some glue that seeped out around the edges of the paper. Remove this excess by wetting a clean cloth and dabbing off the adhesive before it dries. A damp paper towel will also work instead of a cloth. Don't scrub the area vigorously. You don't want to lift the wallpaper that you just pressed down. 4. Let the adhesive dry overnight. Check the package of your adhesive to see how long it takes to dry. Most seam adhesives require at least 24 hours. Don't hang anything on the wall or place any furniture against it until it's completely dry.